learning target 1C. This is given a transformation of a parent function. We need to identify the graph of the transformed function. First example I used in class was give the graph of a quadratic function. So we're looking for a U-shaped graph that is transformed 3 units to the left and 2 units down. We always are going to go from the parent function here. So starting with the parent function of a quadratic, one of the coordinates is at 0, 0. One of the other coordinates is at 1, 1, and negative 1, 1. I'll draw in the parent function with a dashed line just to kind of give me a reference point for when I start transforming it. And then we'll pick a point from the quadratic, from the parabola. So I'm going to pick 0, 0. I'm going to move 0, 0 to the left 3 and down 2. So now I'm at negative 3, negative 2. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other 2 points that I have, 1, 1 and negative 1, 1. So when I move those over, 1, 1 becomes negative 2, negative 1, and negative 1, 1 becomes negative 4, negative 1. And I draw in the parabola shape again, and that is my answer. So I have a quadratic that is transformed 3 units to the left and 2 units down. Next example is to give the graph of the cubic function transformed 3 units to the right, 4 units down, and reflected across the x-axis. So again, I'll start off with a cubic function. Comes at 0, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1. And it curves up really quick. And it goes through those points, makes like an S or a kind of like snake-like pattern. And I'm going to take 0, 0, move it 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, down 4. So I'm at 3, negative 4. And then I'm going to translate or reflect it across the x-axis. So is that 3, negative 4? When it goes across the x-axis, it actually goes up to the 3, positive 4. So 0, 0 got transformed to 3, positive 4. Now we move each of the other points, 1, 1, go 3 to the right, down 4. And that's at 3, negative 3. When it gets reflected across the x-axis, that'll become 3, positive 3. And do the same for the last point. Negative 1, negative 1. Move it 3 to the right, 4 down. I'm at 2, negative 5. When I transform that, or reflect it, I mean, it's going to go to 2, 5. I see the 3 points are in now a different orientation. Their parent function was from left to right, the dots were going up, or the coordinates. Now they're going from left to right, they're going to go down. So this means my graph is going to be shifted. So the graph is going to go from left to right, it's going to start high and go low instead of low to high. And this is our new graph. On to learning target 1D. Given the graph of a function, identify the transformations that map the parent function to the image given. So this is opposite of what we just did in 1C. So I'm going to give you a graph of a function that's transformed, and you have to verbally tell me what the transformations were from the parent function. So 0, 0 is right here. And for these, I only follow one point. 0, 0 is at the base, the bottom of the quadratic. So I'm going to find that on the graph of that's given to me. And the orientation of both of them are the same. They're both U-shaped, both going up. So all I have to do is I'm going to translate. So this is a quadratic. So I'm going to write a quadratic function translated looks like 3 units left. And 1, 2, 3 units down. That's all you have to write for this.